Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the stamp set Tulip Fields. As you can see, instead of a sentiment, I actually have a little scene. It is crooked, I know that. I use some of these small little stamps. So this is a little tree or a couple little trees in the horizon and a couple of clouds. And then I used very tip to make that tulip field. And today I am going to show you a little different colorway. Here I have, this is Fresh Freesia. It is sized 6 by 8.5. On the long side, I'm going to score at 3/4, 2 1/8, 6 1/2, and 7 7/8. Flip it round. I'm going to score it at 1 3/8, 2 3/4, 4 1/8, and 5 1/2. As usual, I'm going to fold and burnish all of my score lines. All right, and then I am going to remove, let's see here, I'm going to remove this two little triangles here, or sorry, triangles, those are rectangles. I was never very good with my geometry. So let's remove those. And then basically we're going to cut up all the score lines. I think I'm going to use my bigger scissors, just because I feel more comfortable with them. All right, and here as well. Then we're going to figure out the front and the back. So I always like to have the seam at the back, so let's make this the front. That means that this piece here has to be cut off. And then when I have these two pieces, I can cut those two in half. I usually do it together, or I have done in the past so that they're kind of equal. So there you go. And then I go the opposite way. So if this is open, then I'm going to take this one off. And again, fold the tabs in half. And angle some. Oh, and this is what you should have at the end. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to snip off those guys. Just give a little edge to our lid. All right, so we need, I figured I'd put the designer series paper on first. We need designer series paper that is 1 1/4 inches wide and 4 1/4 inches tall. So here it is, just with a very little border. And I will choose 4 pieces, like I said. I have them pre-stuck so that you don't have to watch me glue and stuff. It just all comes together seamlessly. And then I think this is 1 1/4 by 1 1/4 inches for the lid. And I even got one for the bottom too. All right, I'm going to put my adhesive on this back piece here. Whoops. Folding this in half. in half. It's a nice little solid box, I have to say. Ta-da! So cute. All right, you guys. Here is the little scene that I did with this. And this is just a rectangle stitched die. And I did the little trees and did the little clouds. And then I just softly sponged some Pear Pizzazz and Balmy Blue so that it wasn't so white, stark white. And I thought it's kind of cool. It's a little different than what I do. So you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. Those fast links will take you to my Canadian online store, and I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. Fold flat box even. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.